Live rosin is so new for a lot of people. Don't really understand what it is yet because it's kind of like this weird snooty hash that people been smoking for years, but really no one really tells the story on how it's made unless you're really in that culture. And I don't really come from that culture, but I've been dabbing over the last few years, so I really wanted to figure out how to make it. So basically what it is, guys, is you harvest the plant and while it's still alive. So as soon as you chop that plant, you're going to trim off all of the big major fan leaves, anything that really doesn't have any sort of trichome production on it. And you're going to freeze that right away. So you're keeping that plant alive. So all the terpenes are alive, the whole plant, every health benefit is still there. There's no degrade to that plant. Then you're going to take that plant and wash it under cold temperatures. So the cold room is where you're going to perform that. You're going to have it in a nice cold space because the colder you can keep that temperature, the more you're going to yield, the easier it is to work with that product.